Tired of sky-high electricity bills? Worried about blackouts leaving you in the dark? Want to do your part for the planet? DIY solar power might be the answer you've been looking for. Building your own solar power system might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's more doable than you think. Plus, the benefits are huge. First off, you'll save a bundle of money on your electricity bills. That's right, no more dreading those monthly statements. Second, you'll be generating clean, renewable energy, reducing your carbon footprint and helping the environment. And lastly, you'll enjoy energy independence, free from the grid and rising energy costs. Sounds good, right? So what are you waiting for? Let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the world of DIY solar power. Before you rush out and buy a bunch of solar panels, you need to figure out how much power you actually use. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Start by taking stock of all the appliances and electronics you use regularly. Think about everything from your refrigerator and lights to your computer and TV. Each device has a wattage rating that tells you how much power it consumes. Once you have a list of your appliances and their wattage, you can use a handy tool called a solar calculator. These online calculators take your energy usage information and factor in things like your location and sunlight hours to determine the size of the solar system you'll need. Easy peasy. Knowing your energy needs is crucial for designing a system that meets your specific requirements. So grab a pen and paper and let's get calculating. Now that you know how much power you need, let's talk about the heart of your solar system, the equipment. First up, solar panels. These beauties convert sunlight into electricity. You'll find two main types, monocrystalline and polycrystalline. Monocrystalline panels are a bit pricier but more efficient, while polycrystalline panels are more budget-friendly. Next, you'll need an inverter. This clever device converts the direct current, DC electricity generated by your panels, into alternating current, AC electricity, which is what your home appliances use. Inverters come in different sizes and types, so make sure you choose one that matches your system's voltage and power output. Last but not least, batteries. Batteries store the excess electricity generated by your panels, allowing you to use power even when the sun isn't shining. Deep cycle batteries are ideal for solar systems as they can handle frequent charging and discharging cycles. Remember, choosing the right equipment is crucial for the efficiency and longevity of your solar system. So do your research, compare options, and invest in quality components. Building your solar powerhouse, a step-by-step guide. All right, now for the exciting part, installing your solar system. Safety first, always. Working with electricity can be dangerous, so if you're not comfortable with electrical work, it's best to call in a qualified electrician. Start by mounting the solar panels on your roof or a ground-mounted rack. Make sure they're facing south for maximum sun exposure. Next, connect the panels to the inverter using appropriate wiring and connectors. Now it's time to connect the inverter to your home's electrical panel. This step is best left to a qualified electrician to ensure everything is wired correctly and safely. Finally, connect the batteries to the system, following the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Once everything is connected, it's time to test the system, flip the switch and bask in the glow of your very own solar-powered home. Remember, always consult the manufacturer's installation manuals for specific instructions and safety precautions. Keeping your solar system running smooth. Congratulations, you're now generating clean, free energy. But like any other system, your solar setup needs a little TLC to keep it running smoothly. Regular cleaning is key. Dust, dirt and debris can accumulate on the panels, reducing their efficiency. Hose them down every few months or use a soft brush and soapy water for a more thorough clean. Keep an eye on the system's performance using monitoring equipment. This will alert you to any issues and help you optimize energy production. And lastly, be prepared for troubleshooting. Familiarize yourself with common problems and their solutions, or have a qualified technician on hand for any major repairs. Remember, a well-maintained solar system will provide you with years of reliable, clean energy, so give it the care it deserves and enjoy the fruits of your labor.